Hi, Miss Sandhya Raman has just won award for Future of Design. Ma'am, how does it feel to win this award?
It's a wonderful feeling to get the Business World's Future of Design Award, and especially in the area of sustainability and design for fashion, for fabrics, for sustainable design, because that is what we have to look into right now.
How does sustainability play a role in design?
We have to think about our environment. We have to think of what we are doing and be responsible for everything we use or we don't use or we discard. So this is design comes in as the biggest tool to make us rethink, revisit, and repurpose things.
What do you think is the future of sustainable design in textile and other stuff, being specific to you for textile?
That's the way to go. You need to look at what you need. You need to be minimalistic. You need to reuse whatever you have and reinvent, maybe repurpose, maybe upcycle. And these are the mantras which are going to bring value to our lives, because resources are going to get lesser and lesser. And we need to understand and appreciate what we have and how do we garner support for everybody and how do we bring about the change for this. And it's wonderful that Business World is looking at this section because it's a less visited area. People would just like to do fast fashions, which is completely a no-no. You have to look into slow fashions and really appreciate the crafts that go into it.
Do you think the consumer are appreciating and accepting this transition to sustainable fashion?
Totally. Today, the young generation, earlier we used to have it as hand-me-downs from grandparents or your brothers or your siblings. You always wore that earlier. But today, young generation has broken the shackles of wearing old clothes. They have repurposed clothes. They call it pre-loved clothes or rehoming of clothes. So that is a trend which is making people understand the value of beautiful stuff and how they can find a new wardrobe. It will fit into somebody else's wardrobe. And you can have as many clothes you want because you want a certain brand, but you want it a couple of times and you, as a human mind, you're tired of it. Instead of chucking it away or dumping it, if you're able to give it away to somebody or sell it out and exchange it or repurpose it or upcycle it. So that's the mantra for today.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you for your time and all the very best to you.
Thank
and
you so much.
congratulations once
Thank
again.
you for having me.